Hey there eBay sellers, welcome back to our channel. Let's be honest, you probably didn't start selling on eBay because you love bookkeeping, right? But here's the thing, getting your accounting right can make or break your business. If you're like most sellers, you're juggling tons of transactions, different fees, shipping costs, and tax headaches across multiple countries. It gets overwhelming fast, especially if you're still tracking everything in spreadsheets. Today, I'm going to break down eBay accounting into simple, manageable steps. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your current system, this guide will help you stay organized, compliant, and focused on growing your business. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss our latest e-commerce tips. So what exactly is eBay accounting? Simply put, it's tracking all the money flowing in and out of your eBay business. This means recording your sales, expenses, and taxes accurately to stay legal and understand if you're actually making money. Good accounting gives you a clear picture of your business's health, helps you make smarter decisions, and identifies where you might be leaking money. Let's break down what eBay accounting really involves, because there are several moving parts. First, many of you sell to customers around the world, which means dealing with multiple currencies. Converting these accurately and tracking exchange rates can be a real headache. You also need to track shipping costs, not just postage, but packaging materials and handling fees too. Inventory management is crucial. Knowing what your product costs and the value of your unsold inventory directly impacts your profits. Returns and refunds need careful tracking since they affect both your revenue and taxes. eBay payouts need monitoring to ensure they match your records and bank statements. Taxes are unavoidable. VAT, GST, or sales tax depending on where you sell. eBay collects some automatically in certain places, but you're still responsible for getting it right. And don't forget all those eBay fees. Listing fees, final valuation fees, subscription costs, they all cut into your profits and need accurate tracking. Sounds like a lot, right? That's why so many sellers are moving away from manual methods. Now, let's look at how to make eBay bookkeeping much easier. The most efficient approach is connecting eBay directly to accounting software like Xero or QuickBooks using Link My Books. The best part, it's completely free to start. You don't even need a credit card. Here's how this works. You'll run through a quick setup wizard to connect your accounts and confirm the pre-filled tax rates. Link My Books automatically verifies all your eBay transactions, ensuring everything is treated correctly for tax purposes. It creates detailed summaries in your accounting software, breaking down each payout into sales, refunds, and fees, with the proper accounts and tax rates already applied. Best of all, when a payout hits your bank account, you can reconcile it with just one click. No more hunting through hundreds of transactions. Let's talk about why automation is such a game changer for eBay sellers. First, it saves you tons of time. No more manual data entry or spending weekends updating spreadsheets. It drastically reduces errors. Let's face it, we all make mistakes when entering data manually, especially when dealing with hundreds of transactions. You'll save money by avoiding costly accounting mistakes and potentially reducing the need for professional help. You won't overpay taxes because every transaction is recorded accurately with the correct tax rates. You'll get valuable business insights through reports and analytics that would take hours to create manually. Tax filing becomes much easier with everything organized in one place. And your data stays safe in secure cloud systems, so you never lose important financial records. Good accounting is key for your eBay business success. It keeps you compliant with tax laws, helping you avoid penalties and problems with tax authorities. It gives you a clear picture of your actual financial health. Are you really making money after all costs are considered? It helps you plan for the future with accurate forecasting and budgeting. If you ever need financing to grow your business, lenders will want to see clean, organized financial records. and it helps you manage inventory better, showing you which products are tying up your cash and which are your real moneymakers. eBay sellers face some unique accounting challenges. The sheer volume of transactions can be overwhelming. When you're processing hundreds or thousands of sales weekly, keeping track manually becomes nearly impossible. The time spent on bookkeeping takes away from activities that actually grow your business: sourcing products, optimizing listings, and providing customer service. This is why so many sellers are switching from manual methods to automated solutions. Here are some practical tips to improve your eBay accounting. Choose the right accounting method for your business size. Small sellers might start with simple systems, but have a plan to scale as you grow. Keep business and personal finances completely separate. Open a dedicated business bank account for all eBay transactions. Use integrated accounting software rather than trying to cobble together different systems. Keep your records updated regularly, not just at tax time. Schedule regular financial health checks to catch problems early. Set aside specific time for bookkeeping tasks so they don't pile up. Stay informed about changing tax rules that affect eBay sellers. And take advantage of free resources to boost your knowledge, including our blog, which has tons of guides for marketplace sellers. Next, we'll take a look at 3 key financial reports every eBay seller should understand. The profit and loss statement, or income statement, shows your financial performance over time. It tells you if you're actually making money after all costs are accounted for. The balance sheet gives you a snapshot of what you own versus what you owe at a specific moment. It helps assess your financial stability. The cash flow statement tracks money moving in and out of your business. This is crucial because you can be profitable on paper, but still run into cash flow problems. These reports work together to give you a complete picture of your business's health. Beyond these reports, here are the critical numbers you should monitor. Cost of goods sold, COGS, what you pay for the products you sell. The formula is beginning inventory plus purchases minus ending inventory. Gross margin, your profitability after product costs. Calculate it as revenue minus COGS divided by revenue times 100. Inventory turnover, how quickly you're selling and replacing inventory. The formula is COGS divided by average inventory. Understanding these metrics helps you make smarter decisions about pricing, purchasing, and which products to focus on. Sales taxes are one of the biggest headaches for eBay sellers. You need to understand tax rates and regulations for everywhere you sell, which can get complicated fast. Using tax software that integrates with eBay can automate calculations and ensure you're charging the correct amounts. Staying compliant means keeping up with constantly changing tax laws across different jurisdictions. This is another area where automation really pays off, as tax mistakes can be costly and time-consuming to fix. Let's wrap up with some best practices for effective eBay bookkeeping. Reconcile your accounts regularly by comparing your records with bank statements to catch discrepancies early. Track every expense, no matter how small. They add up quickly. Maintain accurate inventory records to know your true costs and product values. Keep all receipts and invoices organized. Digitally is usually easier for e-commerce businesses. Consider using automated tools to streamline these processes and reduce the administrative burden. As you can see, eBay accounting involves many moving parts, from handling multiple currencies to managing complex tax obligations. With the right tools and processes, you can transform this from a dreaded chore into a streamlined system that actually helps your business grow. Link My Books connects your eBay store directly to your accounting software, automatically importing all transactions with the correct categorization and tax treatment. When payouts hit your bank account, you can reconcile them with a single click. This means less time on bookkeeping and more time growing your business. You can try Link My Books free for 14 days using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more e-commerce tips. Drop a comment below with your biggest eBay accounting challenge. Until next time, remember, revenue is vanity, profit is sanity. See you in the next video.